Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to knead, how to use knead mode for bread dough on your TherMOMIX TM7. To do it, you can click on the mode selection button to knead the bread dough or any kind of dough. It could be a pizza dough. And then just set the time and start. What it does is it spins the mixing knives spins for a moment, then stops and spins again and repeats that multiple times in an interval. It is helpful for achieving a well-kneaded dough. And it does really do a good job. In most cases, you'll need about 2 to 3 minutes for example, a pizza dough. By the way, let me show you how to make a pizza dough with the pizza dough recipe that utilizes this dough mode. So once I search for pizza dough, let's select this one, for example. And you can see preparation time is just 5 minutes. It is really, really quick when it comes to preparing the pizza dough here. You should lightly grease a large bowl and set aside. Then put water, sugar, and yeast. That could be either 20 grams of fresh yeast or dried instant yeast. I do prefer the fresh one. I'll just skip that. I won't be adding it now. Then you should mix it. I'll skip it. Then add flour, olive oil, and salt, and then you can see it goes to the knead mode. And you'll probably, once you start using it, you'll notice how your machine does it in an interval. And you can see the bread, the dough, it will be ready. You can later just prove it for an hour and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.